Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create an amazing acoustic guitar cover song video using AI, even if you don't know how to play guitar at all. And the best part is that everything can be done directly from your phone in just a few minutes. So let's get started. First, just open the DreamFace app like this. If you don't have it yet, you can just download it from the Play Store. And then once you open the app, just log into your account. You can log in with your Google account. And don't worry about the credit because DreamFace provides free daily credit, so you can try many AI features without spending money. And then after that, after logging in, just go to the face swap, this one like this. And then in here you will find lots of AI video templates and styles that can turn from your photo into different scenes and characters. And for this tutorial, I'm going to use Snooze, this one. This style will create a relaxing acoustic guitar cover performance with a cozy and realistic vibes. So just simply tap it like this, and then next just upload clear photo, the photo of yourself. And I recommend use a front-facing photo with good lighting for the best result. Like this, I will use this photo, and then after that, just tap on continue. And then in here, you can just choose your songs that you want to cover. In here, I want to use these songs, and then after that, just simply tap on continue again. And then in here, you can also use the custom voice. If you want, you can just choose the one that you like, but in here I want to just keep it original, and then next just simply tap animate like this. Okay, like this you can see it. I think the final result looks good enough. It's surprisingly realistic, and the swap face is, I think, it's really good. And okay, I think it's perfect for social media posts or just short video or just having fun with your friends. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.